So chef, the menu here is inspired by Manipuri cuisine, right?
Yes, main menu is Manipuri cuisine, but influenced and inspired by global culinary techniques
All right.
and
Can you tell us some of your signature dishes here?
uh, we have taking Manipuri flavor, the fermented stuff like nari, then soybum, then we have hawaijar, which is the fermented soybean,
Right.
and then we play that along with proteins. So you can have with seafood, or you can have it with chicken, or you can have it with pork. And we have a lot other dishes like the.
Do we have the typical Manipuri food like singju,
Of course, we do.
bora?
We keep that. That is our identity as a Manipuri cuisine. That's our identity. But apart from that, if somebody wants to try something new with the same Manipuri flavor in a contemporary way, then we have plenty of dishes
I
available.
put some spaghetti, right?
Yes.
So you do have Italian dishes in the menu?
Yes, we have Italian dishes because I lived and worked in Italy for several years. So I picked up the Italian cooking techniques. So I
So
have
are
that.
you using any Manipuri ingredient here?
Yes. Sometimes for the not for this pasta, but for the creamy pasta that we make, the cheesy pasta, we put fish mint in it, which is tuning kok, we call it. So those are the local ingredients that we use.